Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add clickable link to TikTok bio. It's super quick and easy, so let's jump into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the TikTok app on our phone. Now click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you need to click Edit Profile and Links. Tap on it. Here you will have an option what link you will want to attach. Is it an Instagram link or a YouTube link or a Twitter link? So you just need to tap on that and it will prompt you or it will ask you to sign in your Instagram so that it will be linked to your TikTok. It's the same way in YouTube, Twitter. Sometimes it might not show this option, but don't worry, you have two options that you can do. The first thing that you can do is to go to the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings and Privacy and click on Account, the very first option on the list. And you might want to switch to business account to unlock more feature. Just need to click next, follow the prompts. You can just skip and there you have it. You already have a business account. Now this should be able to unlock more features, including the link features on your bio. But if you're still not seeing the link option, then you can go to your App Store or Google Play Store, whichever you use, Android or iPhone. Search on TikTok. And here you might want to check if you have the latest version of the TikTok app, and it should prompt you to update if ever that you don't have the latest version of the app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.